How to file self-petition for an EB-1A green card. Most employment-based immigration categories require a U.S. employer to sponsor the foreign workers for their immigration application, or U.S. green card application. There are actually a few immigration categories that allow for self-petition if certain requirements can be met by the alien applicants. In two immigration classifications, the foreign applicants are not required to have a U.S. job offer, and may self-petition for U.S. green card. The foreign applicants do not need an U.S. employer to sponsor them. These two categories are: 1. EB-1A, individuals of extraordinary ability in the sciences, arts, education, business, or athletics. 2. EB-2NIW, individuals who were granted a national interest waiver. EB-1 extraordinary ability application is considered to be the best in their field, and the EB-1 extraordinary ability is an eligibility category that applies to some individuals. Examples of who may be considered an EB-1A immigrant include those who have achieved great successes in their field. The employment-based first preference, EB-1, immigration category has three subcategories: EB-1 extraordinary ability, EB-1A, EB-1 outstanding professor or researcher, EB-1B, and EB-1 multinational executive or manager, EB-1C. Only one of these three subcategories, EB-1 extraordinary ability, allows for self-petition. This immigration category is available for alien applicants with extraordinary ability in business, science, art, education, or athletics. The alien applicants who may qualify for the EB-1 extraordinary ability application are generally those who are recognized as being at the top of their respective fields, and who intend to continue to work in that field in U.S. Another immigration category allowing for self-petition is the EB-2 National Interest Waiver, EB-2NIW. This immigration category falls within the employment-based, second preference, EB-2, immigration category, which is reserved for professionals with advanced degrees and individuals with exceptional ability in the sciences, arts, or business. To file an EB-1A self-petition, you need to complete and submit Form I-140, Immigrant Petition for Alien Worker, to the USCIS, along with comprehensive evidence demonstrating your extraordinary ability in your field, including published materials, awards, critical acclaim, and other supporting documents proving your national or international recognition. Essentially, you are petitioning for yourself as the beneficiary without requiring an employer sponsor. The important considerations about EB-1A self-petition include: 1. Eligibility. You must demonstrate sustained national or international acclaim in your field, such as science, arts, education, business, or athletics, through substantial evidence. 2. Evidence required. Published materials about you in major publications or professional journals, awards or prizes received at a significant level, evidence of high salary compared to others in your field, invitations to speak at major conferences or events, peer-reviewed articles authored by you, participation as a judge or expert in your field, documentation of original contributions to your field. 3. Gather evidence. Collect all relevant documentation to support your claim of extraordinary ability, including publications, awards, letters of recommendation from prominent individuals in your field, and any other supporting materials. 4. Complete Form I-140. The primary document needed is Form I-140, which you complete and submit yourself. Fill out the petition form accurately, providing detailed information about your achievements and attaching all necessary evidence. Submit the completed Form I-140 and supporting documents to the USCIS along with the filing fee. 5. Strong petition cover letter. When writing your petition cover letter, clearly explain the significance of your achievements and how they demonstrate your extraordinary ability within your field. If you are living in the United States, you can file Form I-485 application after your EB-1A based Form I-140 approval. But if you are living outside the United States, you can become a U.S. permanent resident by first submit Form I-140 application, then go through consular processing in your home country. The consular processing is when U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, works with the U.S. Department of State to issue an immigrant visa on an approved Form I-140, immigrant petition for alien worker. What are the criteria to file EB-1A as self-petitioner? A Form I-140 application filed for an alien of extraordinary ability does not need to be supported by a job offer or be sponsored by an U.S. employer, and the alien applicant can self-petition for the EB-1A application. For a self-petitioned EB-1A application, the alien applicant must demonstrate that he or she will continue to work in the field of extraordinary ability in the United States, and the alien applicant's work should benefit the United States substantially. An EB-1 extraordinary ability application filed by yourself does not need a job offer by an employer in United States. Therefore, you can file the EB-1A petition as a self-petitioner. You should demonstrate that you intend to continue work in the area of your extraordinary ability, and that you should substantially benefit the United States in the future. In order to be qualified for an EB-1 extraordinary ability visa, the petitioner must show, the foreign person has sustained national or international acclaims for his or her achievements, the foreign person is seeking to enter the United States to continue to work in the field of endeavor that is the subject of the acclaim, and the presence. To qualify for an EB-1A visa, a self-petitioner must meet at least 3 of the following criteria. 1. Extraordinary ability, demonstrate sustained national or international acclaim for their work in a field such as the arts, sciences, education, business, or athletics. 2. Original contributions, provide evidence of original contributions to the field that are of major significance. 3. Published work, have published material about their work in professional or major trade publications or other major media. 4. Invited to judge, show that they have been invited to judge the work of others, either individually or as part of a panel. 5. Leading role, show that they have performed in a leading or critical role in respected organizations. 6. High salary, show that they command a high salary compared to others in their field. 7. Commercial success, show commercial success in the performing arts. Any person has extraordinary ability in the sciences, arts, education, business, or athletics, which has been demonstrated by sustained national or international acclaim, and whose achievements have been recognized in the field through extensive documentation, can file the EB-1 Extraordinary Ability Petition as a self-petitioner. When seeking classification as a person of EB-1 Extraordinary Ability, you need to file an immigrant petition for alien workers Form I-140, with evidence demonstrating that you are eligible. There are no standard criteria for what will substantially benefit the United States. In the EB-1A applications, the petitioner must show that the alien will continue to work in the area of expertise in the United States. If USCIS adjudicators are not satisfied that the alien applicant has satisfied the requirements, a request for evidence, RFE, notice may be issued by USCIS. Question and answer. Question: I having an O1 visa, how could I qualify for EB1 Extraordinary Ability Green Card? Some people who qualify for O1 visas as persons of extraordinary ability may not automatically qualify for the U.S. permanent resident in the EB1 Extraordinary Ability, EB1A, Green Card category, even though the standards are close. An EB1A visa is a common pathway for O1 visa holders to transition to a green card, as both visas are designed for individuals with extraordinary abilities in their field, allowing O1 holders to leverage their established achievements to apply for permanent residency through the EB1A category without needing an employer sponsor. Essentially, it is a way to convert a temporary work visa, O1, into a permanent residency status, EB1A, based on exceptional skills and recognition in their profession. The key points about EB1A for O1 visa holders include: 1. Similar eligibility criteria. Both visas require demonstrating extraordinary ability through achievements like awards, publications, membership in prestigious organizations, and critical acclaim in their field. 2. Self-petitioning allowed. Like the O1, an EB1A application can be filed without a job offer from a U.S. employer. 3. Faster processing. Compared to other employment-based green card categories, EB1A often has a shorter processing time due to its priority status. 4. Evidence from O1 period. When applying for EB1A, O1 visa holders can use their work experience and accomplishments while on the O1 visa as evidence to support their extraordinary ability claim. You should compile documentation of your achievements, awards, publications, critical reviews, and other evidence that demonstrates your exceptional abilities in your field. Then submit an EB1A application to USCIS, detailing your qualifications and evidence of extraordinary ability. It is therefore important to prepare an I-140 petition for a person of extraordinary ability according to the EB1A statutory and regulatory guidelines in order to avoid a request for evidence from USCIS. Specially, you should: 1. Ensure that all USCIS forms are completely filled out. 2. Clearly document in application cover letter from the employer, or from the alien if it is a self-petition, how the alien applicant is qualified for this EB1 Extraordinary Ability category. 3. Ensure that the alien applicant meets at least 3 of the required EB1A criteria. Although meeting 3 of the 10 criteria of EB1A would not guarantee that the alien will qualify as an individual of extraordinary ability in the arts, sciences, education, business, or athletics, if the alien applicant cannot satisfy at least 3 of the EB1A criteria, he or she cannot get approval. Thank you for watching the video. We offer high-quality complete do-it-yourself packages for U.S. Green Card application and working visa application, and we provide many samples of reference letters, and samples of petition cover letters for U.S. immigration and green card application, and we also let you know the U.S. Green Card application process and how to get your green card quickly. If you want to apply for a U.S. green card, our website greencardapply.com and complete do-it-yourself packages can help you get green card quickly, even without an U.S. employer sponsorship, and bypass the labor certification process. I hope the audience will give us a thumbs up, and subscribe our YouTube channel, to let the knowledge of U.S. green card application spread to more immigrants, and let YouTube's algorithm recommends our videos to more viewers. For further and detailed information of U.S. green card application, please visit our website greencardapply.com. Thank you.